Hi guys, what's up? In this video, we're going to show you a quick tutorial on how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10. But first, what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a Type 2 virtualization software developed by the Oracle. It is cross-platform, which means it can be installed on Linux, Windows, FreeBSD, and Mac OS just like any other applications. So, without further ado, let's get started.
Download VirtualBox software from Oracle official website. We will provide the link in the description box. Double-click on downloaded VirtualBox.6.1.32-149.290-win.exe to bring up the welcome screen. Click Next.
Set the installation path. If you are not familiar, then keep the default configuration. Select the Next button. Leave the pre-selected VirtualBox shortcut as it is and click on Next button.
When installing VirtualBox, it involves network functions. The wizard will automatically create a virtual network card, which will temporarily interrupt your network. But of course, it will return to normal immediately. So click Yes. Now here, you can go ahead and install this virtualization software. Just click Install.
During the period, you can see that the current network was interrupted and immediately resumed. Click Finish to launch Oracle VirtualBox.
And there you have it. You now have your newly installed VirtualBox on Windows 10. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time!